So, hello and welcome to the Football Talk Exchange. This is the auction and the transfer market simulation that we are going to do. And I've got 7 representatives with me. Some of them have already completed their 10 transfer slots, but we'll also allow them to attend the auction. And I'll also be announcing the list of deals that have been completed. I'll be announcing all the major deals have been completed, all the big money deals. And firstly, Antoine Griezmann has left Barcelona and joined Juventus for 155 million. 29-year-old, I think Vedant's reaction says it all, who's representing Arsenal, for those who do not know. Neymar has joined Barcelona from PSG for 125 million only. And I think it's a great deal for Barcelona considering they've bought him for less than they sold him for to PSG. So gaining in the overall deal. And Felipe Coutinho went back to Liverpool for a sum of 68 million euros, not pounds, sorry. Euros is our currency. And I'm looking for, okay. And when Liverpool had Coutinho, they sold Sadio Mane to PSG, or looking for a replacement to Neymar. So sort of a transfer domino in there. PSG signed Mane for 103 million.
As for Dybala was sold at a price of 90 million euros to a club that I cannot.
No. 120 million.
120 million. Sorry.
120.
Yeah. I think 75% amount of that. And he was sold to. Would you guys like to announce? I mean, whoever.
Madrid.
Real Madrid. Because I do not have Madrid's balance sheet with me.
I sent it to you.
Now it's time for the auction. We've got around 30 to 35 players on this auction list who will be going under the hammer. I'll be picking them randomly. Okay. So I have the representative of PSG has already completed all his 10 deals. So he'll be randomly announcing numbers, and the player pertaining to that number will be going under the hammer at that moment of time. So we've got 35 here. Yeah. And a couple of them have already been sold before the auction started. So the first number is
24.
First number 24. Christophe Nkunku from PSG. Do we have any bids for him in the chat?
From PSG?
Not from PSG, sorry. From RB Leipzig. Extremely sorry. RB Leipzig is his club. I'll also announce his base price in a minute. Okay, sorry. So we'll be starting bids for Christophe Nkunku at 28.5 million euros. Do we have any bids for him? No clubs looking for Nkunku. Okay, so this player is now unsold, and if any club wants him later on, he will be available at a discounted price. Can we have the next number, please?
11.
Number 11, Lucas Ocampos from Sevilla, and his starting price is 42.5 million euros. Any bids for Ocampos? He's very versatile, can play as a midfielder, down either wings, as a false nine as well, and played as a goalkeeper too in one of their games. Okay, no bids for Ocampos as well. I mean, clubs have already completed a lot of their deals while negotiating among themselves, so I have to decrease the base value a bit. Next number?
1.
Number 1, Ben Chilwell. Bid starting for Ben Chilwell at 30 million euros. Clubs needing a left back. Okay, no clubs need a left back right now.
So his base price is 35.2, right?
But I've decreased it because I mean, people aren't buying any players, so I've decreased it. Okay, yeah. And can we have the next number?
Number 9.
Number 9, Jack Grealish from Aston Villa. Aston Villa skipper, number 10, left winger Jack Grealish is for sale at 25 million euros. Do we have any bids for him? United are very interested. Okay, Rishabh, who's representing Man City, has started with a 25 million euro bid for Jack Grealish. 26 from United. Will we see a bidding war emerge between the Manchester clubs? 27 from City. 27 from City. 28 from United. Slowly, 29 from City now. 30 from United.
Are you bidding on private chats or like the?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just
we can't
informed
see
him.
Man- we can't see United. Correct.
Yeah, I just told Rishabh to go in private chats.
Yeah, bids be made in the public chat, please, so that everyone can see them. 31 from Man City. 32 from United. 33 City. 35 from United now. United in at 35. 40 from Man City. It's only getting interesting and interesting. 40 from Man City. They've only survived relegation. Very important player for Aston Villa, and you can see why clubs are, going closer and closer to the 45-50 million mark. 41 from United. 43 from City. 44 is his last bid, says Manchester United representative. 45 from Man City. Delegate representative of Manchester United has backed out, and Jack Grealish has been sold. Jack Grealish has been sold to Manchester City for a sum of 45 million euros. Congratulations, Rishabh, on completing this deal. Chanjot is happy about this as well. So the first player in this auction has been sold. The first player to be sold in this auction, Jack Grealish.
Oil man.
Oh shit, I sent it on everyone. Oh,
Sorry.
Yeah, GG, sorry.
I wanted to
So we resume the auction. The next number is
9.
number 9. Okay, we just completed number 9.
23.
Number 23, Ibrahima Konate from RB Leipzig. Young French defender, available at a starting price of 30 million euros. Do we have any bids for Ibrahima
keep it
Konate?
37.
33 from Manchester United. Are United the only bidder for Ibrahima Konate? No one else seems to be interested in a centre back. 33 million euros 1, 33 million euros 2, 33 million euros 3. And Konate has been sold to Manchester United. We'll let the representative announce the deal. Delegate, representative of United, would you like to announce this deal in person?
I thought someone's gonna bid for him. God damn it. कोई किया ही नहीं.
Scam हो गया United.
चलो United.
And can we have the next player, please?
Number 6.
Number 6, Ruben Neves of Wolverhampton Wanderers, available at a starting price of 30 million euros. I think he's only 22, 23 years old, quite young. We'll give you
Starting
8.
price. What's the starting price?
The starting price for Ruben Neves is 30 million euros.
अब तो 2 घंटा.
Why mute yourself?
Sorry.
Any bids for Ruben Neves? No. So for now, Ruben Neves is unsold. Will be added on if any club wants him. Next number is
18.
18. Fabian from Napoli. Midfielder Fabian from Napoli. At a starting price of Fabian Ruiz is available at a starting price of 40 million euros. Do we have any bids for Fabian Ruiz of Napoli? Doesn't look like. No clubs interested in Fabian. This player is unsold as well. Next number is number 4, Yuri Tielemans of Leicester City. Only signed for Leicester City last summer, available at a starting price of 35 million euros. Very good at dictating the tempo of the game. Yuri Tielemans is available for 35 million euros only. Do we have any bids for Yuri Tielemans? Okay. No bids for Tielemans as well. Next number.
Number 25.
Number 35, Andre Onana of Ajax. A goalkeeper that would be in demand in real life as well. Do we have any bids for Onana? Starting price 30 million euros. Any clubs in need of a good quality goalkeeper available at a decent price of 30 million euros? Lamau, unsold. Another unsold player. Can we bid below starting price if no one bids?
Yes.
Next number is
3.
number 3, James Maddison of Leicester City. A player that is in demand in real life as well. 45 million bid from Man United, who have just lost out on Jack Grealish. 45 million from Manchester United. I think that's a very fair price for James Maddison. Any clubs interested in Maddison apart from Manchester United? Okay. No one else seems to be interested in Maddison. I'm about to close bid for Maddison at the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'm just going to use this as my hammer as well. Sold. James Maddison has been sold to Manchester United for 45 million euros.
Number 13.
Number 13. Kalidou Koulibaly. I'm expecting
Nice.
huge bids for Kalidou Koulibaly.
What's the starting price?
The starting price for Koulibaly is 50 million euros. Any bids for Koulibaly? 50 from United and Juventus. Juventus will have to up their price as United were the first bidders. Okay. 54 from United. 56 Juventus. 56 Juventus. Are United willing to go any further for Kalidou Koulibaly? One of the best centre backs, not just in real life, but I'm sure on FIFA as well, which is a very important part of our simulation. 60 from Juventus. 62 United. Arsenal suspecting a scam by United because they are one with a very low budget themselves, I believe. Plus on Arsenal. 65 from United. 68 from Juventus. Juventus in at 68.
69 for the memes, please.
70. अरे यार.
70 from Juventus. Are United willing to go any further for Kalidou Koulibaly? They definitely need a good partner alongside Harry Maguire. 70.5. 72 from Juventus now. We are at 72 from Juventus. $73 from United and now 74 from Juventus is the bid for Kalidou Koulibaly.
100.
Cents. 75 from United. 77 from Juventus. $78 from United now.
Just for
79
the record,
Juventus.
that is more than 75% of United's starting budget.
They did get Sancho for a very good deal. They didn't have to part with much money in that. So I think it's still legal.
So Manchester United are out. Manchester United are out. The current bid is 79 million euros for Koulibaly. Do we have any other bids for Koulibaly? 79 is the price. 80 from Barcelona.
अरे ग्रुप चैट पर टाइप करता भाई.
80 from Barcelona on personal chat.
Sorry, my fault.
81 Juventus. 82 Barcelona. Things are heating up now. 83 Juventus. 84 Barcelona. 85 Juventus. 86 Barcelona. Will Juventus go further? Juventus are out. Any other clubs still interested in Kalidou Koulibaly? I think he's around 88 or 89 on FIFA. 89. Yeah. So definitely worth 87 from Man City.
Barcelona.
87 from Man City now.
Man City, you little oily thinker. You little oily.
Man City with all that oil.
Aryan had so much hopes.
87 from Man
Hey,
City.
yaar, why do I send it on private?
87 from Man City. Barcelona willing to go any further for Koulibaly. 88.
गलती से प्रणय गलती से
90 from Man
I
City
think,
now.
I think Rishabh is just milking Aryan. He's just milking him for the money.
Barcelona is out.
Is he now? Is he or am I?
Barcelona is out.
I had
Barcelona has opted out of this deal. Anyone still
Let's go,
interested in
I hate Man
Koulibaly?
City.
No one can afford that.
Guardiola really going
No one has
enough.
Anyone?
No one has that money.
Why is Aryan so salty? Why so salty?
I'm not salty. I got 90 million out of his budget. I'm happy.
Oh,
Got
of
a
course you're
quality
happy.
player on the other hand.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
so
Don't forget, Man City has unlimited budget. So is it done or not?
Kalidou
Yeah,
Koulibaly
done, I think. Yeah.
has been sold to Manchester City
Well
for
done.
a price of 90 million euros. And we will deduct that from their budget.
But is
Would
there a
the
plan
representative
without
of Man
Koulibaly?
City want to announce this in person through a video or something? Or should we resume with the auction?
Yeah, Manchester City has officially signed Kalidou Koulibaly for 90 million from Napoli. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Next number. The next player is
34.
34. Tagliafico from Ajax. Argentine left back. Nicolas Tagliafico from Ajax. Starting price 20 million euros. Which starting for Tagliafico at 20 million euros? 21 from United. 21 from United. Any other bids for Tagliafico? 21 from United is our final bid. No other offers. Do we have any other offers for Tagliafico? Last 10 seconds. And Tagliafico will be sold to Manchester United.
Yeah, cool.
Tagliafico sold.
All right, so we are back with the second session of the auction, and the first player we have after resumption is Kai Havertz of Bayer Leverkusen. Kai Havertz is obviously one of the best youngsters in Europe right now, very likely to join Chelsea in real life. Will we see that in this auction as well? Kai Havertz will be available at a starting price of Kai Havertz is available at a starting price of 60 million euros. Do we have any bids at that value for Kai Havertz? 75 from Chelsea, right from the off, very aggressive. 76 from Barcelona, 78 Chelsea, 80 Barcelona, 81 Chelsea.
And don't reduce after you've gone to 2 million. Why is it back down to 1 million?
And it's okay, it's okay.
If you're doing it properly, do it properly.
85 from Chelsea, 86 from Barcelona, and Chelsea is out. I do not think any other clubs have the financial power to bid for Kai Havertz right now. So 86 looks like the final bid for Kai Havertz. Who are Chelsea saving up for, says Juventus? Well, we'll find out in some time. 86 and Kai Havertz has been sold to FC Barcelona. Would you like to announce this in some way?
Yes, sir. Kai Havertz, one of the hottest prospects in world football, future Ballon d'Or winner in Barca Board's opinion. We have signed him for 86 million pounds from Bayer Leverkusen. Euros from Bayer Leverkusen. It is a big step in the right direction for Barcelona, who have finally made that huge attacking midfielder striker signing that we were hoping that some signings would have been. But we move. Kai Havertz.
And after Kai Havertz, the next player to go under the hammer is Houssem Aouar of Olympique Lyon. Houssem Aouar of Olympique Lyon, who is available at a starting price of 35 million euros. Houssem Aouar. Do we have any bids for Houssem Aouar? 35 is the asking price. 35 from Chelsea. 35 from Chelsea. No one else seems to be in for Houssem Aouar, a midfielder that Pep Guardiola is very fond of and has praised as well many a times in his press conference. 37 from Chelsea after 36 from Barcelona. 38 from Barcelona. 40 from Chelsea.
मस्त में मिल कर रहा है
42 Barcelona and 43 Chelsea. 45 Barcelona.
wait अरे ऋषभ रुक
45 from Barcelona. 46 Chelsea. 47 from Barcelona now. Chelsea is out at 47. 47 was the bid from Barcelona, who do not have any problem with their bid. Any clubs willing to join in right now for Houssem Aouar? Any bids for Houssem Aouar? Unlikely. So Houssem Aouar has been sold to Barcelona at a price of 47 million euros. Barca spending their majority of their remaining budget on 2 players.
I mean, Barca had 3 slots, so we had to go for the big boys anyway. So
I'm just
Well, sir,
calculating
next.
the budget remaining for Barcelona. Okay, that's been done. Now we move on to the next player, Dayo Upamecano from RB Leipzig. His French compatriot Konate was sold at 33 to United. Do we see any bids for Upamecano at 35 million euros? 35 million euros, the base price for for Upamecano. Chelsea, who need to strengthen their defense, are not interested in this deal at all. Going by Abbay's expressions, 35 million euros for Dayo Upamecano. I mean, City were very interested in Upamecano as well, at least in real life.
They bought Koulibaly.
And they've got Koulibaly, says the representative of City.
No, that was United. That was Juventus.
Koulibaly was bought by City.
City. Juventus is still salty. That's the point.
Yes, I am. Says the Salt King.
Any bids for Upamecano? No bids, and Upamecano will go unsold. So the next player to go under the hammer is Sandro Tonali of Brescia, a player often considered the next Pirlo. Do we have any bids for Sandro Tonali at 25 million euros only? 25 million euros from Chelsea is the starting bid for Tonali. Any clubs interested in Tonali apart from Chelsea? I do not see any bids apart from 25 million euros from Chelsea for Sandro Tonali. And Sandro Tonali will now join Chelsea for a price of 25 million euros.
That's a steal, to be honest.
That's a steal, yeah. And now our next player is Declan Rice of West Ham. Chelsea Academy youth product. Great friend of Mason Mount, if that makes any difference. If that convinces any of you to buy Declan Rice at a price of 35 million euros. Do we see any bids for Declan Rice? Can play as a defensive midfielder, can play as a centre back too. One of England's brightest prospects. I see no bids for Declan Rice. So Declan Rice is unsold as well. Now we move on to Serie A, where we will be selling Hirving Lozano, the Mexican winger from Napoli, at a price of 22 million euros. Do we see any bids for Lozano? Hirving Lozano. Any bids for Lozano? 22 million euros is his price. 22 from Juventus. 22 million euros from Juventus. Lozano, the only bid for Lozano is from Juventus at 22 million euros. No other club seems to be interested in Hirving Lozano, and with that, I sanction his sale to Juventus at 22 million euros only.
I needed depth. I got depth and he's very fast. So let's go. Forza Juve.
So the next player to be auctioned is Sergej Milinkovic-Savic of Lazio, and he's from Lazio, and he is available at a price of 50 million euros. Do we have any bids from Milinkovic-Savic? The atmosphere not so encouraging to sell Milinkovic-Savic. So Milinkovic-Savic will be added to the list of unsold players. Quite surprisingly, no one is willing to buy Sergej Milinkovic-Savic at the price offered. That is a shocker in my opinion to see some of the best players, especially Milinkovic-Savic, go unsold.
19 में देगा तो बोल मैं लेता हूँ फिर अनसोल्ड नहीं
अरे इसका बजट ही 19 है. He's only got 19 million left. That is why he's asking for all players at 19 million.
I had 89 left with Bayern but no slots left so I had to
You decided to be
charitable.
Yeah.
That's fine.
And another midfielder from the Italian league. We have bids for. I'm inviting bids for Nicolo Zaniolo. Nicolo Zaniolo at just a second. Sorry, Zaniolo bid starting at 30 million euros. 30 million euros for Zaniolo from Roma. I mean, Spurs are willing to pay 50 for him in real life. If Daniel Levy is paying 50 for him, is ready to pay 50 for him in real life, then I'm surprised that we do not have any bids for Zaniolo at 30 million euros.
I'm falling just short.
And Zaniolo will be added to the list of unsold players again. We had a lot of demand for Zaniolo when negotiations were allowed to be made earlier. So the next player to be auctioned is Moussa Dembele, striker from Olympique Lyon. Bid starting for him at 25 million euros. Moussa Dembele from Lyon. Moussa Dembele from Lyon at 25 million euros only. He's a great striker, look guys. I mean, not as good as Werner and Benzema and Firmino, but yeah, certainly a good striker. Okay, Moussa Dembele is added to the list of unsold players. Firmino is trash, is the opinion of the representative of Juventus. So next up we have, I'm inviting bids for Alex Telles of Porto. Alex Telles, starting price 20 million euros. Only 20 million euros. 20 from Juventus. 20 million euros from Juventus. Any other bids for Alex Telles? I have 20 million euros bid from Juventus. Quite surprising considering he's a well-renowned left back in Europe and keen to leave Porto. Okay. Okay, so Alex Telles will be sold to Juventus at 20 million euros only.
Let's go.
भाई ये रिएक्शन हावर्ड्स को भी नहीं दिया था क्या मतलब चिल मार भाई चैट में रख समझा ना
20
अभी बचाएगा कितनी का पैसा
अभी यूनाइटेड के पास है पैसा
19
अरे आता वो तो 10 बार बोल चुका है मालूम है 19 बचा तेरे पास
एंड
Does City have more transfer?
बारसा के पास भी थोड़ा बहुत बचा है, I mean, बहुत कम है.
ये डिस्क्लोज मत कर, चुप रहे.
हाँ हाँ
है कम है बट ठीक है कम है बट ठीक है. शांत, we made Havertz and our chill, okay? We won this.
Has Juventus used up all of their spots?
Yes.
Arey, I have 40 million in the bank.
Who the hell can you buy Telles?
Give me plus. Give me plus.
I wanted Telles. I wanted him specifically.
Sandro के ऊपर खेलेगा भी नहीं. He won't even start over Sandro.
I think he's better than Sandro.
Play him
in real life, yes, he won't start in FIFA. I'm telling you that.
He's better than
86 and Telles is 84.
Better than Cuadrado is what I'm saying.
तो right back खिलाएगा उसको. Genius. Exactly.
Is Juventus willing to give some money to their rivals Inter?
No, not Inter, please, not Inter.
Barca चुप.
कुछ भी मत बोल.
Bro, Barca
no rivals. Arsenal has rivals.
Arsenal को देना चलेगा.
Calm.
Arsenal has used up their transfers already.
Let's just continue. It's okay.
Let's continue.
I can cancel Dan Fraser.
You'll do what I did? Okay.
Okay, so the next
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah, next player, Richarlison of Everton. 30 million euros. And signs of discouragement already.
30 mil?
For Richarlison.
His market value is 55.
I'm afraid I have to lower the price to invite bids for Richarlison.
No one will bid, I guess. I don't think so.
Okay, so
just
no bids.
Saying, like,
yeah.
Liverpool has 30 mil, by the way. So just saying, should we?
But they've, completed all their transfers, not 10. So
they got Chiesa, right, too?
Yeah. So
ठीक है.
कितना विंगर लेगा यार? साला माने बेच दिया, but
विंगर और गोलकीपर बस. क्या कर रहे हैं?
हाँ ना.
चल continue.
Okay, yeah. Inviting bids for. Yeah, I mean, time will tell. Inviting bids for Josep Ilicic of Atalanta. From 13 million euros only. Josep Ilicic of Atalanta. He's been a great goal scorer.
13 goal scorer, 30.
In the Champions League.
1-3.
Okay, wait, let me. Hello, I'm back. He's a striker, right?
Attacking midfielder and striker, yeah.
Attacking midfielder / striker.
Okay, just to use up my one transfer, I can. Okay, wait.
But he's 32, huh?
He's 32. But, I mean, doesn't look like age has affected him.
Yeah, but
he just scored 4 against Valencia. So,
yeah, I mean.
Oh, Ilicic.
13 million is the bid from Inter Milan. For Josep Ilicic. 14 from Barca. 17 from Inter. any bids for Ilicic. 17 was the highest bid from Inter Milan. And with that, I am selling Josip Ilicic to Inter Milan for 17 million euros. And the next player to be auctioned is Donny van de Beek from Ajax at a starting price of 30 million euros. 30 million euros for Donny van de Beek. Do we have any bids for Van de Beek right now? No bids for Donny van de Beek. Quite surprising considering he is one of the best players, best youngsters from Ajax. No bids for Van de Beek at 30 million euros. And with that, he will be unsold.
Yeah, Abhi same.
So everyone is here for the auction. And
Players will be at a
we
discounted
start
rate.
with we start with a player in demand, Dayo Upamecano of RB Leipzig. You guys can start bidding at whatever price you feel correct. I know the clubs who are interested in 25
Give
from
a starting price. Look at that, Prabhu.
25 from Chelsea.
That's
Dayo
better.
Upamecano. 26 Arsenal. Liverpool, you cannot bid. All your 10 transfers have been used up after you were sold Chiesa.
For 70.
Yes.
Ah,
30 from Chelsea and from Arsenal.
So somebody increase, please.
Yeah, Arsenal should increase. Chelsea ने पहले 30 बोला.
I can't ask Upamecano to decide which club he wants to join.
Even I'm at 30 Arsenal.
So Chelsea
Oh, you're out.
Arsenal out.
Oh, okay.
31 from Chelsea. Okay. 31 from Chelsea, and Upamecano is now sold to Chelsea at 31 million.
Ian, your text aged very well. Upamecano and Mukiele backline.
Yep. Congrats.
Quickly after that, we have a Leicester City player, Wilfred Ndidi, at 30. Wilfred Ndidi at 30. Any bids for Wilfred Ndidi? 32. I think the 31 from Abhay was
Why
for
did you start at
Upamecano.
30?
Yeah.
अरे नहीं मेरा वाला हो गया ना.
हाँ.
Upamecano was sold.
Yeah. So would you like to revise your bid, United? Because there was a bit of confusion.
30 then. बोला 31 उसका.
Oh, bhai, your voice is a bit laggy. I guess I can't hear it.
United bid 30.
United have bid 30, and NDD will be sold to United at 30 million euros. Okay. Quickly, last two deals remaining. Soyuncu, Kalgar Soyuncu from Leicester again. 25 million euros is the price for Soyuncu. And I think United are interested, are the only club interested in Soyuncu from what I know. So Soyuncu sold to United for 25. Last player
Oh, bhai.
sold.
Wow.
Wait. I will
ये
go
क्या
20.
बिजनेस चल रहा है 25
Now finally the last player to be sold, Alejandro Gomez from Atalanta again.
Papu.
And he will
Big
be
steal.
offered
Never
two
gets
clubs at
good player.
12 million euros. Alejandro Gomez for 12 million euros. 12 from Barca, 13 from Arsenal, 14 from Barcelona,
Aryan, where will you play him? वो तेरे bench पे भी नहीं रहेगा भाई.
17 from Arsenal, who have been boosted by a recent windfall of funds. Yeah, 17 is the bid from Arsenal, and Barcelona's budget is 16.25, so they will have to drop out of this deal. And Alejandro Gomez sold to Arsenal at 17 million euros. And with that, we are heading into the simulation. All the teams have been completed. Stick around. So with that, we conclude the auction. The teams have been concluded, and Barcelona want a deal which we will complete with them in private, and the simulator for the FIFA will be informed about that. Thank you all for joining in. I hope you had a great time in this auction. Even clubs who did not
Arsenal is
participate
the
who
real
have completed
winner
their 10 deals.
Arsenal is the real winner here.
Arsenal finished Barcelona more like.
Thank you for watching, and the link for the simulation will be in the description whenever the simulation video gets uploaded.